A lot of learners often ask how to say blank in Chinese. In this video, I'm going to answer the top 10 words or phrases that learners ask. Number 10. How to say it in Chinese. I'm not sure whether this learner is referring to it as in it the word or it as in any word. Either way, I will answer both. How to say the word it in Chinese. It is 它, 它. Do know that in Chinese, we don't use it as frequently as we do in English. For example, in English, it's common to say I like it, but in Chinese, we just say I like or like. Do you like it? 你喜欢吗? I like it. 我喜欢 or just 喜欢. See how it doesn't even appear. Second part of the question, how to say it in Chinese, as in that it is asking for a specific word or phrase. How to say blank in Chinese. 用中文怎么说 blank. 用 to use, 中文 Chinese, the language, 怎么 how, 说 to say. So if you want to know how to say hello in Chinese, then you say 用中文怎么说 hello. Number 9. ¿Cómo se dice español en chino? How to say Spanish, the language, in Chinese. I am surprised by this one, but let's hope that my Spanish teachers don't find this video because this is one of the very few sentences that I remember in Spanish. I have politely returned most of my Spanish knowledge to my teachers. Anyway, Spanish, the language, is 西班牙语 or 西语. 西语 is one that I like to use because it is short, like me. However, you might want to use 西班牙语 if you are talking with someone who is not learning Spanish. Number 8. How to say my favorite food is in Chinese. High five! I like this question. This is indeed a very important phrase to know. My favorite food is 我最喜欢的食物是 and then the food that you like. Or you can also say I like to eat blank the most, which is 我最喜欢吃 and then the food that you like. Share with us in the comment section 你最喜欢吃的食物 or your favorite food. Please. Number 7. How to say Chinese dragon in Chinese. When you are learning a new language, it is fascinating that one word can bring up different images or associations. When you hear the word dragon, what kind of image pops into your mind? Is it the dragon like the ones in Game of Thrones? Or is it a golden or colorful dragon like the ones you see in a Chinese temple? Share with us in the comments. And this is my dragon. Hi. Dragon in Chinese is 龙. 龙. Be careful that the pinyin looks like long in English, but make sure to pronounce it the Chinese way, which is 龙. Number 6. How to say the days of the week in Chinese. Which day of the week do you want to know? Just in case, I'm going to cover all of them. For a more detailed teaching video, check it out at allanguagecafe.com/DOTW, which stands for Days of the Week. I made it up just now. The structure is 星期 plus a character. If the character is 日, then we have 星期日. 星期 means week. 日 means sun. So together, 星期日 means Sunday. Then for the rest of the week, you pick a number from 1 to 6. 1 in Chinese is 一. To say Monday, we say 星期一. You follow the same pattern for Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So we have 星期一 Monday, 星期二 Tuesday, 星期三 Wednesday, 星期四 Thursday, 星期五 Friday, 星期六 Saturday. Does your week start with 星期日 or 星期一? We usually start with Monday. Share with us in the comments. Number 5. How to say, can you speak Chinese in Chinese? 你会说中文吗？你 you 会 can as in the ability to do something. 说 to say, to speak. 中文 Chinese, the language. Ma is a question particle. It turns a statement into a question. Can you speak Chinese? 你会说中文吗？ Yes, I can. And you can too. Number 4. How to say today in Chinese? 今天 Jing is present. 天 as in day. Together we have today. 今天 Love this question, living in the present. Number 3. How to say Happy Chinese New Year in Chinese? It is August as the recording of this video, but I like how far you're planning ahead. Happy New Year is 新年快乐 or 春节快乐. 新年 means New Year. 快乐 means happy. New Year, happy, it's how we say Happy New Year. Notice that the order is reversed. 春节 means Spring Festival. So another way to say Happy New Year is Happy Spring Festival. Notice that in Happy Chinese New Year, we don't say the word Chinese because we are Chinese. Imagine saying Happy American New Year. How weird is that? Number 2. How to say I love you in Chinese? Aww. I love you is 我爱你. Same exact order as English. 我I as in I me. And then I, the second character, I is to love. 你 you. 我爱你 I love you. 我爱你. Number 1. How to say I'm breaking up with you in Chinese? Well, that escalated fast. We went from I love you to I'm breaking up with you. I am breaking up with you is 我们分手吧. 我们 we 分 to separate 手 hand 分手 to break apart or to separate. 吧 it's used to make suggestions or to soften our tone. 我们分手吧. It's not as direct as I am breaking up with you, which is like you're determined to break up. 我们分手吧, it's more gentle. It's closer to I don't think we're right for each other. Let's break up. Or I think we should break up. We have the expression to say I am breaking up with you with a firm determination, but it doesn't sound as natural. So I am sticking to the more gentle way. Let's break up. And that concludes our top 10 how to say blank in Chinese. Have you asked any of the words or phrases? Share with us in the comments. And thank you for studying at AL Language Cafe. 加油 Bye!